It was a no-brainer. Opportunity like this has never been before and will never come after this. My name is Manav Patel. I'm from Tampa, Florida, and I've been here for about 16 months now. Before I came here, I was working for Amazon for the past 2 years, and I was a process engineer. At the moment, I'm sending these putters up to the junction to finish the front and the back vestibule. When I first came here on site, all the guys here, they welcome me with open arms. When you have your team set, then anything is possible. You just gotta make sure everyone's on the same page at the same time and you have a bulletproof plan. That's exactly what we do here, day in, day out. Every day I come here on site, I feel inspired. When I'm walking from my trailers to the Mandir, I see my brothers. If they could do it, I could do it. Seeing that is very inspirational. Honestly, being here teaches you a lot of things. You learn how to work hard, and you can apply that back at home and back into your community. Now that I look at it, it's coming to an end, and I don't know, I can't describe how I feel, right? When I saw the last piece of the Amasada go up, I had tears in my eyes, because it's like tears of happiness. It's been like a fairy tale here, honestly. Every day I go into phase 4, the Welcome Center, and I see people of all religions. I see people from South India, North India, different parts of America, and they all believe in different religions. It's for anyone believing in any faith and giving dedication and giving back to their faith. This monument stands tall for that reason.